Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to my class. I am Shamchun Nahar, senior teacher, Didar Model High School, Adorshodor, Kumilla. I will conduct a class for you. This class is for the students of class 10. So, first of all, see a picture. Dear students, what about the picture? Question number 1. Where can you find this kind of a board? I think you will see. This kind of board can be found in the riparian rural areas. Another question. Why does the boatman carry passengers across a river? The boatman carries passengers across a river for money. Besides, there is no bridge. Question number 3. Why do people use country boats? Okay, dear students, country boats are not expensive. These boats are easily available. So, people use this type of boats. Okay, dear students, can you guess about this picture? Yes, correct, you are. This picture is related with Unit 4, Lesson 1, and the title is The Ferry Boat. So, today we will discuss about the ferry boat. Dear students, after this lesson, you will be able to ask and tell about problems, able to answer the questions, listen for specific information, narrate something in writing. Okay, dear students. Now we will know some words. First, soldier. Soldier means a organ of human body. Can you make a sentence with the word soldier? Okay. Open. People carry their bags on soldier. Another word, cross the river, means to go another side of a river. Can you make a sentence with the word cross the river? Dear students, I think you will say they are crossing the river by boat. Here another word, ferry boat, means a kind of boat by that people cross the river. Can you make a sentence with the word ferry boat? Okay, dear students, we will say after shopping they are returning home by a ferry boat. For your betterment, I have more words and synonyms written here. First of all, happen means ঘটা কোনো কিছু ঘটনাকে আমরা বলি কি হ্যাপেন, যখন কোনো কিছু ঘটে। সিনোনাইমস হতে পারে মেবি, অকার অর টেক প্লেস। নেক্সট, ওটস। ওটস মিন্স খারাপ হয়ে যায়, মানে খারাপ থেকে আরও বেশি খারাপ হয়ে যায়। এটাকে বোঝাতে আমরা কি ব্যবহার করি? উই ইউজ ওটস। সিনোনাইম ফুরার। নেক্সট, ফ্যাটাল। ফ্যাটাল মিন্স মারাত্মক। এটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি কি মারাত্মক কোনো ঘটনা যখন ঘটে তখন আমরা বলি কি ফ্যাটাল। ডেডলি, সিনোনাইম ওয়াট? ডেডলি। ওভার ক্রাউডেড। ওভার ক্রাউডেড মিন্স জনাকীর্ণ, যখন অনেক লোকের সমাগম ঘটে সেখানে আমরা কি ব্যবহার করি? সেই ওয়ার্ডটা হতে পারে কি ওভার ক্রাউডেড। সিনোনাইমস populace. Next, casualties. ক্যাজুয়ালিটিস মিন্স হতাহতের কোনো ঘটনা, সেটাকে বলে কি ক্যাজুয়ালিটিস। সিনোনাইমস ফ্যাটালিটি, লস, যেখানে অনেক ক্ষতিপূরণ হতে পারে, অনেক লস, একেবারে অনেক ক্ষতি হতে পারে, সেটাকে আমরা বলি কি ফ্যাটালিটি অর লস। ওকে dear students, here look at the pictures and guess why do many people have little or no patience in situation as in the ferry boat. I think you will say the people were anxious of the rough weather and so they were in a hurry to reach home. Another indicator, we know that our Bangladesh is a populated country. Look at the above picture and guess if we have too many people in a town, bus and train, then what will happen? If we have too many passengers at a bus or train station, it will become crowded and noisy. Moreover, accidents may occur as people in Bangladesh don't hesitate to get on the roofs of trains or buses. Okay, dear students, before getting your homework, I want to brief this passage. I think you have understood this passage and you will read out your textbook again and again and thereafter your homework. In this passage, Jamil tells about his experience of crossing a river by a ferry boat. After completing their shopping, the people of that area got on the ferry boat. The ferry boat became crowded as a lot of people got in board. They were in a hurry because the weather was getting bad. The sky became dark with black clouds moving round. It was a weekly bazar day. The ferry boat sank in the middle of the river, but none died as the river was not that big. They saved their lives by swimming to the other side of the river, but Jamil did not get on the boat. The teacher told him that it was a wise decision. Okay, dear students, I hope you will do properly your homework. So, here 5 questions of your homework. First question, why did the boat become overcrowded? What happened to the boat? Question number 3, why was everybody trying to get into the boat? Question number 4, why did Jamil wait for the next trip? Question number 5, what does the writer try to highlight in this passage? Okay, dear students, thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Everybody will be good.